Terra, meaning earth in Latin. Terra Wash+Mg is the laundry revolution from Japan using innovative technology. It requires no detergent. Reusable for 365 washes or 1 year, saves you time and money by avoiding frequent purchase of detergent. Best in odor removal, the test result shows Terra Wash+Mg is almost 10 times stronger in removing odor than regular detergent. Protects your health, the test result shows Terra Wash+Mg is effective on suppressing bacteria. In addition, Terra Wash+Mg keeps your washing machine hygienic by removing mold, germs, and bacteria coming from detergent or soap residues left in the washing machine. Zero chemicals, perfect for people with sensitive skin and children. Eco-friendly, leaves zero trace of chemicals in our environment and save water and power by not requiring rinse cycle. Fabric-friendly, keeps fibers and colors, which is great for organic cotton. How to use Terra Wash+Mg is easy. Just put Terra Wash+Mg into washing machine together with your laundry. It works for load up to 8 kilograms, 17 pounds. Works for any types of washing machine, either top loading, front loading, HE and others. Works for both soft and hard water, cold and hot water. No rinse cycle required because it works without suds. After wash, just dry up Terra Wash+Mg naturally. In addition, after 1 year of usage, you can sprinkle your garden or planter with the magnesium packed in the nylon bag in order to make rich soil, because magnesium is known as a king of mineral and essential to most organisms including ourselves to maintain health. Here is how it works. Magnesium used for Terra Wash+Mg is specially processed with Japanese innovative technology. When the special magnesium comes in contact with water, it generates bubbles of hydrogen and form ionized alkaline water with increased pH level approximately 10.5, which makes easier for water to remove dirt from fabrics. The test result shows Terra Wash+Mg is as effective as detergent in decomposing spum dirt. The special water made by Terra Wash+Mg has high ability to remove or eliminate dirt, spum, mold, germs, bacteria, and odor, resulting in fresh, safe, and clean laundry. Terra Wash+Mg, saving planet one wash at a time. Let's change the world with magnesium.